Meaning of distension.
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 Distension. Distension refers to the act or process of stretching or expanding something beyond its normal or natural limits. It can refer to physical expansion, such as a swollen abdomen or bloatedness, or it can refer to non-physical expansion, such as an idea or a concept that is being developed or expanded upon. The result of distension can vary depending on the context, but it often involves a feeling of discomfort or pressure due to the stretched or expanded state. In some cases, distension can also be a symptom of a medical issue, such as intestinal obstruction or ascites.